This is the biggest civil engineering challenge faced by Indian Railways in recent times. In a remarkable moment of pride for India, Indian Railways conducted trial run on world's highest rail bridge, the Chenab Bridge. This is a monumental achievement and it stands to inspire the rest of the world. Chenab Bridge is a structural marvel and it is notably taller than the iconic Eiffel Tower by 35 meters. The Chenab Bridge stands as one of the most significant civil engineering challenge ever tackled by the Indian Railways.
Chenab Bridge, all these tunnels, this project, this is one of those examples. This will become the lifeline of Jammu and Kashmir. This will connect the Srinagar and the Kashmir Valley with the rest of the country. The engineers, the technicians, the designers and all my friends who have put their blood and sweat in this project, I salute.
The Arc Bridge is being built across the Chenab River in Jammu and Kashmir. At a height of 359 meters from the riverbed level, this ambitious plan is for a seamless journey between Kashmir and the rest of India throughout the year. The project's objective is to increase Jammu and Kashmir's connectivity, connecting Bakkal and Kauri in Raisi district. It also plays a crucial role in linking Katra and Banihal.
ये एक अपने आप में इंजीनियरिंग मार्वल है और जिस दिन ट्रेन पहुंचेगी मुझे लगता है रियासी के लिए वो एक गेम चेंजिंग डे होगा, एक बड़ा उत्साह का दिन होगा, बड़ी खुशी का दिन होगा एंड वी आर लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड.
Now the bridge can withstand up to 8 magnitude earthquakes and high intensity blasts. The trains can cruise at 100 km per hour on the mega structure. The bridge is about 1.315 kilometers long and it is being built at an estimated expense of rupees 14,000 crore. The tests have been conducted to check the stability and safety of the world's highest bridge, including high velocity wind tests, extreme temperature tests and earthquake prone tests.
प्राउड मोमेंट हमारे लिए ये है कि हमारे इंजीनियर्स ने इतना बड़ा मार्वल क्रिएट किया है. आज जैसे आपके एक साथी मुझे कह रहे थे, ये दुनिया का 8वां अजूबा ही है. ऐसी ब्रिज, ऐसी विंड स्पीड, ऐसी उसकी स्ट्रेंथ. मैं जब उधर पहली बारी गया तो मुझे एक अलग ही फीलिंग आई और मैं उम्मीद करता हूँ कि ये जो हमारा प्राउड है ये हमारे लिए खूब सारी हैप्पीनेस, समृद्धि लेके आएगा.
Now this bridge is one of the many engineering marvels in India. This is India's much-awaited first ever vertical sea bridge. The new Pamban Bridge opened for fishing boats in Rameshwaram. More than 50 fishing boats cross the bridge and the estimated cost of the project is around rupees 279.63 crore. The vertical lift bridge will allow ships and steamers to pass through without any hindrance. This bridge is one of a kind. It is done using sensors at each end. The new suspension railway bridge in Pamban has replaced the iconic old Pamban Bridge. It was commissioned in 1914. Spanning 2 kilometers across the Park Strait, this is India's first sea bridge. It connects the Pamban island city of Rameshwaram to the mainland of India. The new bridge will help trains operate at higher speeds, carry more weight and increase the volume of traffic. Another significant milestone is India's longest sea bridge, the Mumbai Trans-Harbour Link. Built at a cost of around rupees 18,000 crore. This is the first sea bridge in India to have an open road tolling system. This allows commuters to drive at speeds of up to 100 km per hour without slowing down to pay the toll charge. It caters to 70,000 vehicles daily and it's been built for a lifespan of 100 years using Japanese state-of-the-art technology. The total length is about 22 km, the sea length is about 16.5 km and the land length is around 5.5 km. It aims to connect Mumbai with Navi Mumbai, the financial capital's satellite city. Commuters can traverse between the two places in just 20 minutes in order to mitigate traffic congestion and promote economic development. The travel time from Mumbai to Pune is reduced to 90 minutes and it brings places like Goa, Pune and Nagpur closer to Mumbai. This arc bridge in Rajamundry is built across the Godavari River. The Godavari Arc Bridge stands on a high velocity water flow and a cyclone prone area. It is one of the longest span pre-stressed concrete arc bridges in Asia. India's longest rail-to-road bridge was inaugurated on December 25, 2018. The bridge connects the north and south banks of the turbulent Brahmaputra. The bridge is 4.94 km long and stands 32 meters above the water level of the river Brahmaputra.
भारत के विकास के लिए हम समंदर से भी टकरा सकते हैं, लहरों को भी चीर सकते हैं. लिख कर रखिए, देश बदलेगा भी और देश बढ़ेगा भी.